Welcome to Dad's Dojo, everybody. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. We're going to be checking out what's in the box, do a install on it as well, and just kind of a first impressions review. So stick around for more. Alright, so this is the first time I've actually seen or used any of these Ring products. So there it is. Looks like you got some instructions. Say hello to Ring. Look at that in a minute. Also, looks like they give you different covers here. So it looks like it's just kind of a white trim here for the housing. I guess, you know, if you have different color, trim around your house to match it better. It is all plastic though, so just keep that in mind. Hopefully it doesn't fade. Hopefully it puts some good quality paint on there. So you got white. This is like a kind of a brownish tone to it. And then you have, of course, black. Wedge mounts. Definitely gonna have to read the instructions. Wedge, I'm guessing if you're putting it at an angle. Not 100% sure what this is for. Guessing if you don't have a flush, even surface. And here is the unit itself. Okay, light. A few more tips. Oh no, 16 volts. All right, so you need to make sure you have 16 volt transformer on your doorbell, or you need to get the plug-in adapter. I will hopefully have a 16 volt. So this is the unit itself. You will need to use, this is only hardwired. So you'll have to ensure that you have the ability to install it on your existing doorbell with the hard wires. I'm just gonna pull off this plastic there. It's the actual button for the doorbell. Take off that. So it looks nice, looks pretty. And set that to the side. See what we get in the tools. Oh, it looks like they give you a masonry bit. Guessing if you're going to put it on the concrete or brick, they do give you a bit. Oh, looks like they give you a little trusty screwdriver as well. Screws. And oh, I guess this is what you'll need to obviously, install the wiring on your existing doorbell. All right, so that's pretty much all you get. We're gonna go through the steps here. We're gonna read the instructions, and then we'll be back. All right, so the Ring Pro Power Kit was actually included in the installation tools box. Unfortunately, it got stuck at the bottom of the box, and I didn't see it till the end. So it is included with the kit of the Ring Doorbell Pro, which needs to be installed on your existing door chime. Alright guys, so we have the Pro Power Kit right here that you have to install on your existing door chime. Make sure you turn off the power before you do touch anything or remove any wires. Very important. You definitely don't want to get shocked. So we're going to install that right now. Alright, so basically I had to kind of retrofit it so that way it fit flush on here. So now that's basically, we're just going to mount it on with the two screws that it came with. and we just set up the 2 wiring on here. Just go, you know, 1 wire in each one. It doesn't matter which way you do it. So it'll start to light up and turn on. It'll make a sound once it's already powered on. You can see it turning on right now. So we're going to install that right now, and then we're going to go through the app and how to set it up. All right, so we're going to scan the QR code on the Ring doorbell in order to pair the device with the phone. So after you scan the QR code on the device, you will have to do the Wi-Fi setup and just connect to your network in your home. For obvious reasons, I just skipped that. It's pretty straightforward. So after you do that, it will prompt you to change the device name if you did want to change that name, or you can set it to the default. It's also going to prompt you to select whether or not you want to use the mechanical doorbell sound from your home, or the digital, which will produce off the unit itself, or you can just pick none if you don't want any doorbell sound. So after you do those steps, after it successfully connects, it will give you a sound and notification on the device. On the next video, you will see that.
Ring doorbell is connected to the Ring app.
Just finished the installation. I had to retrofit it on there because we wanted it kind of flush against the door here. So we had to cut in here inside the molding a little bit. I didn't really give a step-by-step process on that because obviously every house is different. No house is going to be the same. So basically, you're just gonna have to just you know, do your best you can with what you got. All right, so we just installed the app. So we just connected to Wi-Fi. So there is a live view, which you can press to view, obviously, the camera itself. There it is right there. And then obviously, if you want to hear what's going on out there, or you want to talk. All right, and then you have basically down here, you know, event history. You can see everything that's happened, who rang, if there's motion. It gives you kind of all a notification lists of everything that's been going on with the device. Device health will give you Wi-Fi connection, the voltage, you know, how much you're getting power from the transformer, MAC address, so on and so forth, the signal strength of your Wi-Fi. Link chimes, you can set up different types of rings and chimes that go off. Motion snooze, you can set up your motion so that way you can have a specific zone to kind of pick where you want the motion to be set up on, right here. So if anything comes up in this area here, or you can set it to a schedule. And app alerts to let you know, obviously, what's, you know, give you notifications. You can set those up individually. Shared users, obviously if you have more than one family member in the house. And then down here you have your video settings. Looks like you just have one for color night vision. So we're gonna do a live test here and we're gonna see how it works. All right, so we just had my son go outside and press the button, so we're gonna see how it looks. And there he is. Yep. Stay out there real quick, okay? I'm gonna see if you can hear me. Okay. Hello? Yeah. Can you hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you good. You wanna let the snowman?
All right, perfect. That's it. Don't rob any packages.
Okay, I will.
All right. You can come back inside.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see and hear you. Yeah. You're doing Fortnite dances. All right. You know, that's pretty much it. We'll keep testing it. We'll have a follow-up review. We want to see obviously how it works during the weather, and obviously if the Wi-Fi stays strong, and obviously there's no hiccups with the service. We don't have, you also have the 30-day trial here for the live recording. Should you put all your video recordings on the cloud? No, there is a cost for that. So unfortunately, you will have to pay a monthly plan if you do want to have that video recording and have it accessible. So just keep a heads up on that. So thanks a lot. If you have any questions, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and I will see you next time.